Hi everyone, it's Miss Andrea. In your literacy package this week, you got a book about the very hungry caterpillar, and I thought it might be fun to make a headband so you can look like the caterpillar while you're reading your story together at home. And all your supplies are right inside your supply bag. You'll have a little baggie that has the very hungry caterpillar headband activity. So you want to get that out, and I'm going to bend my camera down so you can see all the parts. Okay. Inside your activity bag, you'll have the headband part, as well as two different colored pieces of paper, one green and one yellow that have circles on it, as well as a purple piece of paper with a shape on it. And the papers are going to be folded, so you want to keep them together so you can cut out your shapes. Okay, so I'm going to move this part away. And then you also going to need a glue stick as well as scissors. So before we start, let's talk about our scissors. Okay, you notice your scissors, there's two different size holes. There's a small hole and a big hole. Your thumb goes in the small hole. Try to fit as many fingers as you can in the bottom hole, in the large hole. And then you turn your hand so your thumb is looking at you. You can see your thumb and your thumb can see you. You don't want to have your hand this way, because then your thumb is looking at the table. Your thumb wants to see you. Okay? And when we use scissors, we open and close them. Open and close them. Very carefully. These are very sharp, so we want to keep our fingers away. Okay? These are only used on paper. Okay? And you also want to make sure that your grown-up is near you when you're using scissors. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out the antennas for our caterpillar. So you're going to open up your chipmunk mouth. You're going to line up here the black line, and we're going to do little chipmunk bites. Nibbles, nibble, nibble, nibble. Open and shut, open and shut. And move our scissors up and around the road. Nibble, 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 little nibbles, little chipmunk bites. And as you go around the road, you're going to move your hand, your helping hand, so you can hold the paper. Okay, and follow the road all the way down. Good. And we're going to move this off to the side because that's trash. And then when you open up, you're going to have two antennas, just like that. So that's one. Now the next thing we're going to use, we're going to cut out two yellow circles. And your paper is folded. Okay, keep it folded. And we're going to cut out two yellow circles. We're going to do the same thing as we did with our antennas. We're going to make little nibbles. Okay, we're going to cut in and line up. Okay, nibble, nibble, nibble. And I'm going to cut right around the circle. And I'm going to move my helping hand. Okay, every now and then move it around so you have control of your paper. Okay, if you go off of the road, it's okay. Just open your scissors, line back up, and continue taking those little nibbles, those little chipmunk bites. Okay, and then there, you have two circles cut out. 1, 2. Okay, so we're going to put those there. Put my trash away. Here's my last set. Okay, my paper is folded in half, so I can cut out two shapes at once. Okay, so we're gonna, whoops, there goes my scissors. I'll put my thumb, fingers, and you remember, where does my thumb point? That's right, we need to look at our thumb. So we're gonna cut into the line and stop, and I'm gonna turn the paper, and I'm gonna start cutting. Taking my little chipmunk bites all the way around this circle. Nibble, nibble, nibble. If you notice, I'm turning my scissors around as I'm cutting. And there we go. Okay, so I'm finished with my scissors. I'm going to put those down because I don't need them anymore. I put my trash off to the side, and I'm going to get my parts. Okay, so now I'm going to take my headband. This is the part that's going to go around your head. Okay, and if you see that there's an opening, keep that up to the top. Okay, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at our book. Let's look at the caterpillar's face. And if we look at the face, look at his eyes in particular. What color is the largest? Is it the yellow or the green? You're right, it's the yellow. So we're going to take our yellow circles first. Okay, and we're going to get our glue stick. I'm going to open it up, and then we're going to twist it up, just so we can see the glue peeking out. Okay, so you can see that. All right, and then I'm going to take one yellow circle, and I'm going to rub glue right in the center. Rub, 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 rub. Lots of glue so it sticks. Okay, you're going to rub it so you can see the glue, and then looking at your red strip, you see the two staples? That's where I want to put my eyeballs. Okay, let me do it this side. I'm going to glue it right there. Okay, and then I'm going to take my other one. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rub, rub, rub. And I'm going to put my other eyeball right here. Okay, so that's this part, the yellow. And on top of the yellow, I have the small green circles. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get my glue, and I'm going to rub, 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 rub glue. It's okay to get a lot of glue on it. See how a lot of glue I have on mine? I'm going to put it right on the center. And I'm going to do the same on the other one. Rub, 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 rub. Big circles. And then glue it right there. So there's his eyes. And then the next, we're going to put our antennas. So what you're going to do is you're going to just put glue on the bottom, right along the bottom part, the flat end, not the rounded part, down here where it's straight. And I'm only putting glue right in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your headband, put it right behind your eye. Okay? Press down. Do the same thing over on this side. Okay. And I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to slide it down. And I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to press, and I'm going to hold it down on a count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your headband is done. Now, I'll show you what it looks like. Now the fun begins. Then what you can do is take your headband and put it on your head. Whoop. Measure it. That looks cute. And there you go. There's your headband. And you can take staple or tape, and you can tape this part here, okay, and fit it to your head, and you can wear it while you're reading your story. I hope you have fun reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Talk to you soon. Bye.